Well, it certainly was a very wet overnight period, and that rainfall continuing to add up. Some of the latest numbers that we could find this morning, you see well over an inch across much of the area. Now, the further east you go, those numbers are a little bit less, but we're going to continue to add to these totals as some of that rainfall continues to move through. Probably by this afternoon, we'll have some of those final numbers. But yeah, we're not done yet. With a lot of that rainfall to move through. So we're going to continue to see the leftover shower activity for the remainder of the day, especially the further south and east you go. When it's not raining, it's just going to be cloudy and probably breezy at times. And those temperatures, they're not going anywhere. They might rise 4 or 5 degrees as we go through the remainder of our Thursday with those showers, the rain transitioning to more of a hit or miss showery type. There could also be a little bit of mist or drizzle thrown in there, as well as by the lunch hour, the heaviest slugger rain is now well off to the east, but we're still seeing some areas with that constant shower activity kind of coming and going. Very little in the way of any breaks in the cloud cover. By tonight, most of the rainfall is finished, but we're still dealing with mostly cloudy, if not overcast skies. Waking up tomorrow morning, more of the same with that overcast, and even by the lunch hour, not going anywhere. And that's going to keep a lid on temperatures as well from really rising tomorrow, because we're not going to get all that daytime heating from the sun. Little, if any, rainfall is additional rainfall, I should say, is expected. Maybe a tenth or two for some of you. Maybe a little bit more right along the borders with West Virginia and Virginia into Pike County, those areas. But that is about it. I think the steadiest, heaviest of the accumulating rainfall really wrapping up. Upper 50s today, that's about all we'll be able to muster with that rainfall ending, transitioning over more to a showery type deal. And you can see everybody here. Now, temperatures are going to be pretty much near normal, right in the upper 50s, but still kind of a miserable day to be outside. We're not going to drop very much tonight because of all that cloud cover, from the upper 50s to probably the upper 40s for the most part. And then you look at the extended forecast, still cloudy on Friday. Then clouds break up a little bit. We'll see some peaks of sunshine in here on Saturday before clouds return right back on Sunday as well as Monday with mostly cloudy days before we watch our next system that could bring us some showers in here on Tuesday, and we cool down Wednesday.